Hello everyone, I'm on 33rd Street at the intersection of 33rd and York to show you this beautiful apartment, and it's a third floor unit. The building has 3 units. It's a nicely built. You have a padlock and a mailbox here for the units. This is what the area looks like. So as you walk in, you have this nice common space. So the unit I'm about to show you is located on the 3rd floor. All right, this is a top floor unit. It's a 2-bed and 1 bath with a rooftop. I'll get in inside and show you what the inside looks like. This beautiful 2-bed 1 bath unit with a beautiful roof deck. As you walk into the place, on your right, you'll see the steps that takes you to the roof. This is your living space. Here on my right, we have the first bedroom. Let's see the living space first, and we'll come to the bathroom, the bedroom. As you could see, the place has high ceiling, plenty of window for a natural light. You get a lot of natural light here. You have open kitchen with modern stainless steel appliances. Over there, on your left, you have your full bath. Here, next to the bath, you have your closet space, your first closet space. Let's walk into the bathroom and see what the bathroom looks like. You have this nice vanity and mirror, a toilet. You do have a tile floor, a beautiful tile floor, a bathtub shower combo. Very nice. The place has central heat and air. This is, you will be looking to 33rd Street. You have this beautiful view. It's the top, the view from the roof is amazing. I'm going to show you that in a little bit. First, let's get in here to the kitchen. In the kitchen, you have this upgraded countertop, pendant light. You have your refrigerator here, your oven, built-in microwave, dishwasher, plenty of cabinet space, a backsplash there. This is your view, and deep sink with a garbage disposal over there. Huge living space. In a kitchen, you have this nice closet space, big closet space for your stacked up washing machine. You have a dryer and washer. You also have your water boiler here, your HVAC system in here. You will be out of sight when you close the door. You have this window to look outside. In the kitchen, perfect space. Next, behind the kitchen, you have the second bedroom. The first one is over there by the door, by the front door. The second one, smaller bedroom, is here. As you could see, you have recessed lights throughout, beautiful hardwood floor, a window for a natural light, 2 windows actually. Nice size closet space with built-in shelf. This is your bedroom, a smaller bedroom. Let's go to the second bedroom. From this bedroom, you will see 33rd Street. The building is at the intersection of York and 33rd. So that is what you see here from your window. All right. Next is your master bedroom, a bigger bedroom. That is the front door. This is a step to the roof, and this one is your bedroom. The next one, I could be wrong. The other one may be a master bedroom, but you have it's like bigger here, and you have nice window. This bedroom is located to the back of the building, and also you have huge walk-in closet. Huge walk-in closet. And this is the bedroom. You have one window here looking out to the back of the building. Next is the rooftop. The view is amazing here. It goes one step up. And I just opened this door for this video. So as you walk out, you have this beautiful view of the city. A nice place to set your table here. Enjoy the breath of a fresh air. As you could see, you see all side of the Philly. And it's just amazing view. This is your space. You could see to north, east, to the south, to the west parts of the city. South. Unobstructed view. It's a beautiful view you have, and a huge space. Alright, this is what Unit 3 looks like. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. I thank you for watching. You have outside lights for your nighttime entertainment. You have a hose, a faucet, outside faucet for water, and also you have the outlet here if you want to bring your speaker and enjoy nice time here. It is equipped with everything you need. This is what Unit 3 looks like. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.